how to change the voice on Google Maps app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Google Maps voice. First, just open Google Maps, and here just click this one, click on your profile, and then click settings, and then scroll down until you find navigation settings, and here you can here you can change it. Click voice selection and just select this one here, United States. Click on it, and
Your destination will be on the right.
that's it. And you can select this one if you want,
Your destination will be on the right.
and that's it. It's easy.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.